Hello everyone, welcome to another week of N220. We're going to move on to our micronutrients this week. So we finished all our macro. So this week combines both vitamins and minerals, which are our two micros. Pretty simple week. Read the chapter, listen to the voice thread, do the Learn Smart questions if you want the extra credit. Then you have your chapter questions, which are worth 12 points. And then, as always, you do your quiz, which, as you remember, it now has 25 minutes to complete it. So our midterm is in 2 weeks, and so I wanted to provide a couple of times to get together in a Zoom conference call where you are able to ask questions if you like. So I won't put anything formal together. What I will have is just basically what's going to be on the exam, how it's going to be formatted, and then open it up for questions. Because I feel like there are plenty of other opportunities that you have to review. I'm not going to put together a review. You've had the questions. You can review those. You can go back and look at your quizzes. There may or may not be quiz questions on the exam. Basically, I want to try to get the most important aspects that we've learned over the last few weeks. So if it's repeating a question that showed up in a quiz, that's just happenstance. It's not on purpose. So it's not on purpose. It's just that's what I want to make sure you know. So the 2 times that I'm looking at is, let me take a look at my calendar, is I'll give you a night and a day so you can choose between those. I'll leave it open for an hour. If there's no questions, it may be as short as 10 minutes. So it's really determined by you. I'll be available for that full hour, so I'll stay on there. If you log on late and have questions, feel free. And otherwise, we'll go from there. So what I'm looking at is on Tuesday, February 28th, I will give you a 11 to 12 to 11 o'clock in the morning to 12 to log in, as well as on Tuesday evening I will do an 8 to 9, and I'll send out invites for that like I did for the first Zoom meeting we had. So 11 to 12 on Tuesday the 28th, and then 8 to 9 that night. Hopefully you can make one of those. If not, as always, I'll record them so you can listen to the questions. You just won't be able to actively ask questions. As always, though, in the meantime, if you have questions, let me know. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.